Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. So based on the previous video of what is agents and what is the environment, so today I am here with a new topic called as the concepts of rationality. So when you come come under the word of rationality is nothing but it is just like a mathematical term of how you will be deviating the process or how you will be deviating the numbers in a rational way. Okay, so in AI it is nothing but it is the ability of agent to make the decisions based on the maximized expected utility. Okay, so now what is this utility? Utility is nothing but it is the measure of what you are doing and how it is being given in a goodness, or it is based on the outcome of whatever you are doing. Okay, so what is the purpose of this utility is nothing but we have to make the decision in an maximized way based on the different kinds of the sensors inputs and the different kinds of the informations that is provided. So what is this utility function? This is nothing but it is the agent's preference over possible outcomes, assigning a numerical value for each of the process. In this you have another process called as the decision theory and expected utility maximization. Decision theory is nothing but you have to formulate the methods. Okay, like you have to define the decisions based on the given inputs provided for it, and the elements that is included, it can be different kinds of components such as the probabilities, utilities and actions. So in this you have an optimal decision making, that is nothing but what is the best outcome that can be taken based on the given different kinds of utilities provided. Expected utility maximization is also something that will be based for selecting the actions or selecting the process or based on the maximizations of the different kinds of utility values. So calculation is nothing but different kinds of calculations done, and based on that you will be having an expected utility, right? So the next thing is trade-offs. Okay, trade-offs is nothing but you have different objects. Okay, different objects, different accuracies. Based on those calculations, based on those accuracies, you will be finding out the expected utility from that. Okay, so the next thing is, okay, so now the next thing is reasoning under uncertainty, multi-agent system, ethical consideration. Reasoning under uncertainty is nothing but what is uncertainty? When you have an uncertain value or when you can't find out what is happening in the environment, it is called as an uncertainty. So in this it will be based on the different kinds of incomplete or uncertain information. So based on this, how will you take the calculations? You will be having different kinds of probabilities like either this or that. Based on this, you will learn and you will adapt over time. Okay, based on these process, you will be doing a complete process that is called as a reasoning under uncertainty. Multi-agent something is nothing but you will have different kinds of agents evolved. You will just interact with it, you will coordinate, you will cooperate based on the agents, and you will take the decision. Ethical consideration is nothing but the different kinds of values associated with it, the different kinds of fairness, and how will you take the decision based on the different kinds of quantity, quality, or the different kinds of values associated. So in this you will have what is kind of rationality. The next is the decision theory. Based on the decisions you will be making different kinds of process. The next is the expected utility maximization. So the next process is reasoning under uncertainty. Next is multi-agent system. The other thing is the ethical considerations. Okay, now you will have different applications that is associated with this rationality. That is nothing but autonomous vehicles, medical diagnosis, finance and robots. Autonomous vehicles is nothing but you will be making decisions based on the navigation, safety, and it will be based on responding to the dynamic traffic consideration, etc. Medical diagnosis is you have different kinds of treatments that is evolved in this AI field. The next thing is finance. Finance is like optimizing different kinds of proportional values or the marketing trends and the conditions based on this. Robotics is just the general robotics process of how you will be planning and executing or achieving the goals. So this is all about the rationality of AI and the core concepts that is associated with this. So I hope that you understood the topic in an efficient way. So in the next video, I will be meeting you out with the case study and the design thinking based activity that was done by our students. As of now, thank you. Have a good day.